chassis or pork, onion, carrots and beans, garlic, olive oil. Ito muna natin yung onion. Ito natin yung gulay. Sabay na lang natin lagyan. Ayan. Fry. Next is yung chassis. Ayan, i-fry natin. Ay, huli na lang ilagay yan kasi luto na. Fry. Lagay na natin yung kanin. Yan, luto na guys ang fried rice. Yummy!